Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste and Vanakkam. Welcome back to my channel, Sameera Sharif. Hi guys, so before I begin today's video, thank you so much for everybody out there. Thank you so much for your concern. Thank you so much for your love, and thank you so much for remembering me in your prayers. Alhamdulillah, I have tested negative, and so did the other family members. So now, before you guys come into your conclusions, and there are several assumptions around, and there are several rumors around that you guys are assuming if Anwar Jan is tested positive, or Tabassum or Sana Mom. Let me first make it very clear to you guys that Anwar Jan, Sana Mom, Tabassum and the kids in the house have tested negative, and they have been negative since the very first day, and I was positive. So yes, Alhamdulillah, I and the others also have tested negative, and Alhamdulillah, thank you so much for all your prayers, and thank you so much for all your blessings. Without you guys and without your support, this wouldn't have been possible. So I have been receiving a number of messages, and there were like tons of comments asking how did I recover, or share my experience, share my journey and all of that, about the medication, about the home remedies and all of that. Now before you guys asking for it, I in fact thought I should vlog the entire journey and share the experience with you guys, so that you will have a proper clear view of how exactly it feels and how exactly you have to deal with it. So I would be posting up those videos and those vlogs right after this video goes live. So yes, from tomorrow you'll get to see all my isolation day series. And also guys, about the medication and all of that, I am not a general physician, or neither am a doctor, or I have no idea about anything. I have shared my experiences with you guys, and what were the medications or what were the supplements that I took during the entire isolation period. So that is what I'm going to share with you guys. Let me once again tell you guys, I am not a doctor at all, and these were the medicines and supplements which were recommended to me by our doctor. So that is what I've been taking, and I would be sharing that with you guys. And first of all, I would want to tell you guys, in case if you feel any kind of illness, or if you lost your smelling sense or tasting sense and all of that, first and the foremost thing that you got to do is isolate yourself. If you're already living in one house with your family, that is another thing. If you have to isolate yourself in the room, or if you have to stay home, that is what I'm going to talk about first. So first of all you got to do is stay home. The moment you feel that you have lost your senses, or you're having temperature or cold, please stay home and do not step out, because obviously nobody wants to spread the virus, right? Let it be any random flu, but just stay home and observe your symptoms. Just see if you're losing your senses and all of that. And in case if you're having any trouble in breathing, which is like the major issue, your lungs need to function properly. So try your best to build up your immunity. Try your best to practice a lot of breathing exercises, even if you're not positive. Even if you're a normal person, please practice a lot of breathing exercises, and drink a lot of hot water. Take steam every day. I'm telling this to everybody out there. Take steam, drink a lot of hot water, drink kada, kashayam and whatever you say. So yes, consume a lot of those, build your immunity, take vitamin C and take their supplements and all of that. And that is how you're going to build your immunity. And even if you're affected, and even if you test positive in future, you're going to recover just like that. So this is one thing that I would want to say. And do not panic. Panic is not going to solve the problem, neither it's going to get you out of it, and neither it's going to help you recover. So stay calm and keep your willpower strong is what I would say. And Alhamdulillah, the moment that I was getting my senses back, in fact I had shared the entire thing with you guys in my vlog series. I was like, I was hoping from inside, and I could feel that maybe I'm going to test negative, and that is how I went for the test. And Alhamdulillah, the same night we received our reports, and we've tested negative, and that was the bestest feeling ever. I mean, the way I went back to the family and met everybody, hugged out, and we just had happy tears. So that was one of the bestest moment. And for those who think that I might have faked out or I might have just made up the story of me being positive and now I'm making up the story of me being negative. Guys, there's nothing to fake about it, and neither, you know, I'm not making this video or I'm not putting up the entire journey or the series for the views or subscription or anything of that sort. Let me make it very clear, I'm sharing my experience so that it will be useful and informative for anyone, at least one person out there. So that is my only intention and nothing beyond that. My only intention is I want you guys to focus, because there are many people I know also who've just let gone thinking that, you know, it is a normal cold or it was just a normal fever or something like that. So I want everybody to focus and concentrate and realize if it is the normal temperature or normal cold, or if you've lost your senses, that is how it's going to start, right? So I want you guys to focus and realize what exactly it is, so that you can protect your people by keeping yourself isolated. That is the only thing of not spreading this virus. That's the only way we can fight against this and save our families, save our nation and everybody out there. So yes, now coming to this, coming back to the positive and negative things. So yes, stay tuned till the end of the video, because I'm going to flash my positive as well as negative reports at the end of the video, so that you guys get a clear picture that when I have tested positive and when I have tested negative. So all those doubts or, you know, the rumors or stories that were running in your mind and all will be blasted. Alright, so stay tuned till the end of the video. So now talking about people who've recovered from this. So during my isolation period, I have done a lot of research. I tried to learn a lot about, you know, how it happens, why it happens. And of course, there was this question very frequently asked by you guys, if I could identify where the contamination happened from. Frankly speaking, I have no idea, guys. In fact, that period, I haven't stepped out at all. If you've seen my previous vlogs, like, there were people who were thinking that maybe I got it from IKEA. There were people who were thinking I got it from the salon. But those were shot way before. Like, you know, those were shot. It has been more than a month that I shot those videos. It's just that my uploads were little slow. Those things happened way before, okay? In fact, the recent times I haven't stepped out, and nobody in the house, in fact, had stepped out. The only day that I was supposed to step out was on the day of Eid, and that did not happen because I kind of had it out, and we were just giving it a thought in the house. So that is how I did not step out even on the day of Eid. So to be very frank, we have no idea. It's not that, you know, we are just letting or taking things easy. We always disinfect our parcels, couriers and all of that. But seriously, I have no idea, and everybody is blank about it. So I'm just telling you guys, you need to be careful. At the same time, build up your immunity. Even if you are infected, you can fight with it, and you will surely fight with it. Think positive and stay positive. And now coming back to the people who've recovered from this, okay? So first, people who are tested positive are discriminated, and also their family is discriminated, is what I've seen all these days. I've in fact come across several articles on several different platforms. So now in my previous video, I told you guys not to discriminate the family members of the person who is tested positive, because they have nothing to do with it. And also the person who is tested positive, that is not his or her crime. It happened to him or her. Nobody intentionally got infected, right? And now when the person has tested negative, so I have also read the articles where, you know, the person who is tested negative and also recovered from this is still being discriminated, that people have this fear that person who's tested negative might still have the virus in their body and can still infect the other people in the society. But that is not truth, guys. So now the person who's recovered from this might again test positive in future. But that doesn't mean that that person is going to infect other people who are negative in the society, because the virus is there in their body, it is present in their body, but it is not alive, it cannot spread. So there's a detailed video about this which I've come across, and in fact it's a very informative video. It has not reached many people out there, so I'll make sure I link that video down in the description box, and I urge you guys to spare 4 minutes of your life and go watch that video, so that you'll have a clear picture and a proper knowledge on that. And so saying about that, before ending this video, let me again tell you guys that Sana mom, Anwar Jan, Tabassum and the kids in the house have been negative and they are still negative. Alhamdulillah, I'm also negative now and everybody in the house is doing absolutely fine. And here are my reports. So this is my positive report and here, that's my negative report. So yes guys, that's about it. That's about this video. I hope it was informative, and once again I urge you guys to spare 4 minutes of your life and go check out that video. I will link it in the description box as well as in the I-bar there, so that you will build your knowledge on this and also about the people who've recovered and fought with it. So yes, that's about this video. I'll see you guys tomorrow with my isolation series. I hope it will be informative and I hope you guys would enjoy watching it, and I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Until I'll see you next. Lots of love!